Keep tools and equipment close at hand with Seville Classics Ultra HD stainless steel top rolling storage cabinet. This compact multipurpose cabinet is the perfect addition to your garage, workshop, or business. The solid grade 430 stainless steel top is useful as a heavy-duty work table that's easy to roll from one place to another. Secure your thing in the cabinet behind a grade 430 stainless steel door finished with Seville Classics Ultra Guard fingerprint-resistant coating. The door features a brushed steel handle for an easier grip. Inside the large storage compartment is a steel shelf that's height adjustable at 1-inch increments. Adjust it to create the perfect cabinet for bottles, supplies, equipment, gear, and more. Organize your things in the 4 storage drawers. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. One large drawer 23.5 inches length by 15.5 inches width by 3 inches in height extends the full width of the cabinet. With 2 small drawers 10.5 inches length by 15.5 inches width by 3 inches height and 1 medium drawer 10.5 inches length by 15.5 inches width by 6.5 inches height below. Non-slip liners keep your things secure when moving the cabinet around. Black polyurethane bumpers protect the cabinet and other furniture in your home or workspace when the cabinet is on the move. Our cabinet was designed to be mobile with large 5 inches diameter by 2 inches width swivel wheels. 2 of the wheels include locks to keep your cabinet in place when you need it. The body of the cabinet is made of steel with grade 430 stainless steel corner guards. It's sturdy and designed to store up to 300 pounds, evenly distributed throughout the unit. The drawer holds up to 40 pounds, evenly distributed throughout, fully assembled. The cabinet's dimensions are 28 inches wide by 18 inches deep and 34.5 inches tall. All required tools are included with detailed assembly instructions. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sturdy, durable build. Quality solid steel construction with a durable powder-coated finish. The stainless steel doors allow for secure protection of your items. Number 2. Lockable steel door and drawers. Premium stainless steel door comes with a lock and 2 sets of keys, providing the peace of mind that you will have the necessary security for your important items. The cabinet also has 4 drawers for additional storage space. Number 3. Height adjustable shelving. Includes 1 removable and adjustable shelf. Additional shelves are available for purchase. Number 4. Completely mobile. Includes a set of 4 5-inch wheels, allowing for easy mobility and placement. Number 5. Weight capacity. Total weight capacity of this steel cabinet is 300 pounds, making it the ultimate heavy-duty choice for your storage needs. It features a crafted, precision-cut stainless steel desktop, great for tackling any hefty projects that are in need of a durable workspace. Number 6. Easy setup. Setup is easy as 1, 2, 3. Assembly instructions included and support is based in the USA if any further assistance is needed. Number 7. Seville Classics Promise. With over 40 years of experience in engineering the best workspace desks that are used from all over the globe, we thrive to bring you only the best solutions for your home or business, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.